The firing of political leaders' prophecy. During the Easter Conference in 2015, Senior Assistant Commissioner James Nyakochko received a prophecy concerning a promotion in his career field. However, information concerning this prophecy got into the ears of his superiors. The Senior Assistant Commissioner, James Nyakochko, suffered baseless allegations against him from his superiors, which resulted in him being fired. On the 9th of April 2017, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa delivered two distinct prophecies, one after the other, during a Sunday service. Prophecy number 1, Senior Assistant Commissioner James Nyakochko. Prophecy number 2, the demise of the political leadership in the Zanu PF party at that time. Prophecy number 1.
Say, you see these mats here? Stand, please. You see these mats here? A field here, and your field here, right? And the other field over here. I want to show you something. And the plantation gum trees here, right? And there is a river here, and there is a mountain here. Now, listen to me. I want you to get a geologist, take him to the mountain. He goes down 15 meters from the top. You are going to discover a 40 centimeter gold reef. Okay? Now, pray as you go down from 13 meters. Again. It will be paying you 13 grams per ton.
What can we say? What can we say?
At 22, it shoots to 27 grams per ton. At 80 meters, you are richer than, I don't know.
Prophesy, Baba!
God, the God that you serve, the God that I serve, wants to prove to you that he can pay you more than the government. He wants to prove to you. I want you to look at your life, right? You compare your life to every person in the government. I mean, all of them. All of them.
You can celebrate Jesus.
Okay?
You can celebrate Jesus.
Prophecy number 2.
Finally, when they are fired by the same system that fired you, was all of them, eventually, all of them. No one belongs to Zanu PF. You know that? No one. Everyone will get fired.
Who is Senior Assistant Commissioner James Nyakochko, and what is his relevance? Senior Assistant Commissioner James Nyakochko served as the Finance Director of the Zimbabwe Republic Police and introduced successful financial systems which are still in place to date. How significant is the rank of Senior Assistant Commissioner in the police force? It is the third most powerful rank in the police force. Now, take note of the date and the prevailing political climate as you listen very carefully to what Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa said.
Finally, when they are fired by the same system that fired you.
8 months and 9 days after this prophecy was given, Augustine Chihuri, the Commissioner General of the Police, was fired.
Eventually, all of them, no one belongs to Zanu PF. You know that? No one. Everyone will get fired.
Notice on this very same day, Prophet Makandiwa then gave prophecy number 2 about the fate of the incumbent Zanu PF political leaders in Zimbabwe at that time.
Eventually, all of them, no one belongs to Zanu PF. You know that? No one. Everyone will get fired.
As prophesied by Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, the mass purging of the government and Zanu PF officials began abruptly and sequentially. Note, at the time this prophecy was given, such a thing was unthinkable. As shockingly prophesied by Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, 6 months and 28 days later, the sitting vice president of Zimbabwe at the time, Emmerson Mnangagwa, was fired by President Robert Mugabe.
His Excellency the President, Comrade R.J. Mugabe, has exercised his powers to relieve Honorable Vice President E.D. Mnangagwa of his position as Vice President of the Republic of Zimbabwe.
This is the man who's out, Emmerson Mnangagwa.
Eventually, all of them, no one belongs to Zanu PF. You know that? No one. Everyone will get fired.
As accurately prophesied by Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, 7 months and 10 days later, the sitting president of Zimbabwe at the time, Robert Mugabe, was fired as the Zanu PF leader.
President of Zimbabwe, Robert Mugabe, has been sacked by his party as leader.
Zimbabwe's ruling Zanu PF party has sacked a longtime President Robert Mugabe from the party.
7 months and 10 days after the man of God gave this prophecy, the entire upper echelon of the Zanu PF political party and the government of Zimbabwe was fired on the same day.
Everyone will get fired.
Members of the cabal, namely Comrade Limpopo, Kasiwere, Jonathan Moyo, Ibrahim Choro, Patrick Joao, Letrina Mutenge, Grace Mugabe,
Everyone will get fired.
This prophecy is evidence as to why Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa has been rated as the #1 sharpest prophet. He remains the most trusted prophetic voice because of his ability to see into the affairs of mankind through the eyes of God.